Hi, Scott doing at MarineMax here in Lewisville, Texas. We're going to take a look at a brand new order for us, a Harris Solstice 230 with the new Halo Tower. All right, so this version of the 230 Solstice is going to be a really popular boat for us this year. Has the new contour bimini, so a lot of people in this market, they want the looks of a tower without all the cost of a tower, and if you're not going to use anything to really pull anything in a tower anyway, then this is definitely the way to go, because it's going to be in the neighborhood of about 10 grand less than what your tower is. So really like the Halo Tower. Nice flip-up table. I love the helm on Solstices. So substantially bigger than the helm you get with a Sunliner. It is a raised helm, which I like. Big 9-inch Simrad screen, dual gauges, upgraded JL audio system with a subwoofer and amplifier. It's got the upgraded steering wheel. Just a really good looking helm. Flip-flop backrest. Now this one was ordered with the dual captain seats. We also stocked this boat and order it with the full L bench seat here. Same price on either one. Some people like one, some people like the other. Flip-flop backrest. So, you know, if you're pulling the kids on tubes and skis, you can flip that seat that way. That way you can, you know, face out the back of the boat because you do have your stern safety fencing all the way back around the back. So really nice lily pad ladder. I love it. I think it's probably the best ladder in the industry right now. Nice wide rungs, easy to flip up, easy to flip down. Flip over swim seat on the back, probably the most popular option on all of the boats that we do. Big deck lounging area back here on the back with your ski tow bar. This one comes equipped with a power assisted hydraulic steering, 220 horsepower V6 Mercury. So great power for this size boat. It's going to get up and go and have all the performance that you want. So if you got any questions about this or any other boat you see online, pick up the phone and give me a call. I'd love to talk to you.